Just because you don't know something doesn't mean you can't start. Alright, so today is focus. Alright, so today is workshop day at Step Up Studios. Running late, gotta get an SD card. Let's go. Alright, here we go again. Somewhat rocking the GoPro. Alright, first thing is, where are we? The SM store? Oh, I gotta open my bag. Oh, I've never had that before. At a mall. Alright, so we are at the SM mall, getting the SD card I need. Then heading to the studio. The card I have in this one keeps corrupting. Oh, God. Now that that's handled, time to go eat.
We used to work here.
Oh yeah?
I work here for 6 months and your kuya worked here for 8 years.
Alright, got a new look. Surprisingly, it's not as uncomfortable as I thought it would be. Time to head over to the studio. I'm not gonna lie, every city we've driven through reminds me of a stage in Just Cause 3. What time does the workshop start? Oh, we're early. It starts at 3. Yeah, I thought we were late too. We're going up to the roof, I think. Up we go. Holy damn! This is a nice looking church. I am here right now with Bjorn, owner of Step Up.
What's up, guys?
So he's a man of many talents apparently. He's also an eye doctor, so I'm probably gonna get my eyes checked right after. And also, yeah, I'm really hustling to provide a community for the students.
Yeah.
So you want to tell them about that?
Yeah, actually, I've been here in my studio since 2014. So I just encourage lots of kids and teens to be in dancing, but you know, they need to balance all the stuff like studying, family, and friends.
Yeah.
That's all.
Cool. Can you understand me? That's important. Someone started it who had no experience and created a whole movement out of it. So that just because you don't know something doesn't mean you can't start. So that's one of the reasons I love this dance. You guys ready to learn? Let's go. I'm like halfway with the routine. I think I'm just gonna stop it at the knee drop and then finish it there because there's way too much and there's much to learn, not enough room, and it's really hot. So.
Guys, Emeroy will bounce.
Bye. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Bye. Thank you. Bye.